Look who's here. Come to ask for my help, you doll. Oh, hi, Mr. Keen.
Hey, Mike. What's crack-a-lackin'?
How you doing, dude?
Just chillin', keeping it real, hella fly, you know.
Cool. Same here. Yeah.
Well, I'm off to enjoy those discounts before the sale ends. You kids have fun. Oh, isn't that the game you were looking for, David?
What? But you were just playing this at your house. What happened? Your cartridge ran away to find a better player? Oh, zing! Well, if you want it so much, maybe we can make things more interesting. You see the new Rad Raccoon game over here? You're supposed to find 7 diamonds to beat it, but I just found the secret 8th diamond that no one knew about. If you can find it too, I'll let you rent my copy. Good luck, dork!
Oh, a bit pricey for a sale. Darn it! I forgot to rewind the tapes again. I was gonna be so mad about the fine.
See the graphics on the new Ultimate 32? Yeah, everything looks so real.
Oh, you have no idea. It'll blow your mind. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I was the first kid to play it, you know. I had this uncle who was...
Yeah, you said that already. Why is he even talking to us? Just ignore it.
We're lost.
Pixel Rip 3D. I heard it's so real, the game pops out of the TV. No way, that's for kids. I want to play the Summoning of Mug. Mom won't let me play that one. She says there's too much blood. Here, I can't wait for the blood. This game looks cool. What do you think, Kim?
Wait, you've never played it? Go get it now. It's full of ideas my uncle got from me.
What do you ask you?
But I'm telling you anyway, that game is a masterpiece.
Yeah, a masterpiece of trash.
Hey, watch it!
Or what? You gonna tell your nanny about it?
I don't need a nanny. She just cooks for me and stuff.
Did your nanny pick out your clothes too?
What? No! My mom gave me this shirt. Oh, you're just jealous. That's all you want. See if I can. Oh, this one is cool. It's for 2 players. Maybe if I... No, it's too big.
I'm gonna rent the new Rad Raccoon. It looks so fun. Wait, you have a power system? Everyone knows the turbo drive is better. That's it. Real gamers need power. Power system is for squares. Cool kids go turbo. Power system. Turbo drive. Power system. Turbo drive. Power system. Turbo drive.
The rising tide inside of my... Oh, nope. I think this title's in the wrong section.
So, what time are we hitting the arcade tomorrow? Again? I'm not many coins, Kim. I need to keep my high scores up. Some doofus is still clearing them from the machines. That's because you keep putting bad words in there. What else am I supposed to put, genius? Your name! Where's the fun in that?
Levels, no tutorial, no lives, no saving. Challenge accepted. What? But there were only 7! I mean... Oh, wow. You found it. Great. But I found it first, so you're still second place. Here, you can have your stupid old game. I didn't even want it that much. Stupid, ugly, fat raccoon. I should have picked something with aliens and guns or something.
Hey, ready to go, champ? Oh, you got your game. Let me take that for you.
Congratulations.
You are customer number 10,000 million.
Your prize is the power.
Multiplier X.
Oh my! What are the chances?
Oh, wow! So cool!
Look, champ, we got this thing. It's an add-on. It's supposed to enhance the graphics of your power system. Well, he said you could even play some 3D games with this. Huh? Yeah. You can look at it in the car. Now we gotta hurry. We still need to stop at the supermarket before we head home. How do we have 3D games and still no flying cars? Science is so weird. Oh, that supermarket was packed, huh? I sure hope we got everything to make your mom's banana bread. She's still pretty mad about what you did to the television. You'd be grounded for the rest of the holidays if I hadn't talked her out of it. But, please don't do it again. Okay? Now we only have one television left, champ. David, listen up. I've written a poem. I dig, you dig, we dig, he digs, they dig. It may not be beautiful, but it's deep. Oh, wow. Do you need some help back there? You know I'm here for you. Do you want to hear a joke about construction? Sorry, I'm still working on it. You get it? Come on, don't need to get so worked up. We're almost home. David, if you don't stop that mess, I swear I'll turn this car around. Oh, I'm just kidding. Always wanted to say that. What's that noise? Is everything all right back there? That wasn't you messing with the bananas I bought for your mom, right? Right?